feels so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what we've been through, I miss you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Airicka. If you are new, hey boo, welcome. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel because I give business tips, how to start and grow your business. I do tutorials on hair, skincare, fashion, all of that great jazz. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about business tips, how to start, how to grow, how to find something to add on to your business, however you want to go about it. But we're going to be talking about vendors today, okay? That's what we're going to be talking about today is vendors. You can never have too many vendors. You may want to start another category or another collection inside of your business and you don't know where to find those vendors. Boo, I got you. I got you. So stay tuned, period. Okay, so in today's video, like I said, we're going to be talking about vendors, how to find vendors, where to find them, how to talk to them, all of that. But a little background about me. My name is Airicka. I am the CEO to Airilashaco, which is formerly known as Dollface Extensions and the Dollface Collection. Airilashaco did or was a one-stop shop, but I wanted to do something different in 2022 and I just separate everything. So now I have three businesses. One is Airilashaco, which was the main business. I sell hair care products and lash extensions on that page. And then I have a Skin by Airilasha, and of course that's skincare products, cosmetics, and candles. And I also have a third business, which is Airilasha Closet. That's clothing and accessories and press-on nails. So I pretty much have a vendor for all of my things except skincare. I do not buy skincare products from the vendor, but I do buy ingredients from places on a website where I get the ingredients from scratch, and I make all of my skincare products from scratch, and I make all of my natural hair care products from scratch. Now I do get lace glue, hair foam, edge control, lace glue remover, all of that from a vendor. So I will go ahead, I'm not going to share who my vendor is, but I will let you guys know where you can find those vendors and how to go about that. So this doesn't matter if you're in the hair industry, the fashion industry, beauty industry, any industry. This is a place where you can get all your vendors from, and that is from Alibaba or AliExpress. I prefer Alibaba. You can do AliExpress as well. AliExpress takes a long time to be depending on the vendor, but Alibaba, the most that I have ever had to wait was about 2 weeks, versus AliExpress, you can be waiting a month, 2 months, 3 months. So AliExpress is a good choice, but I rather prefer Alibaba right there. So go ahead, alibaba.com. I'm just gonna go ahead and scoot over so I can go ahead and add in the clip over here. So with Alibaba, you can type in basically anything. You can type in mink lashes. You can type in 3D mink lashes, 5D mink lashes. You can type in hair extensions, HD lace frontals. If you don't want to make skincare products from scratch, you can go ahead and type in skincare products and it all pop up. If you're into the fashion, you can do two-piece women's set, spring women clothing. If you're trying to do a kids clothing boutique, you can go ahead and add that in there as well. So anything that you can think of, anything that you guys think of or what you want to start your business with, Alibaba is literally the GOAT with all the vendors. So that's one place that you can find, or that's actually two places because I did say AliExpress. So you can do AliExpress or Alibaba. You can even type in Google, Yahoo. You can find your vendors on Instagram. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of how you can find your vendors on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so that's how you guys can find your vendor on Instagram and Facebook. Also, For your skincare, if you do plan on making your skincare products by yourself, like from scratch, from water into a skincare product, because mostly everything with the skincare product is dealing with water. So with water to a skincare product, I'm gonna go ahead and list the names right here. I like Brambleberry, Nature's Garden, Wholesale Supplies Plus. What was the other one? And there's one more that I can't think of right now, but I've just listed right there. Cause I didn't write notes, you guys. So it's like on the tip of my, like I'm going off the dome here. But those are some great places to get some skincare products, body care products. They even got stuff for candles, bath care, like almost anything in the beauty industry, cosmetics and everything. They have it right there. And I know everybody, if you guys are planning to make lip gloss, here's a great vendor right here that is TKB Trading. They have everything you need to make your own nail polish. They even have things for lip gloss, lipstick, eyeshadows, foundation. Like they basically have everything cosmetics. Everything cosmetics, you can search for there. And this is also a great vendor if you guys do not want to make anything from scratch. I like making all of my things from scratch, but I have tested out this vendor. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a free vendor. So I have tested out this vendor right here. This is a great vendor if you guys want to get your cosmetics from them, your eyeshadow palettes and all of that. That's where you can go to do that. But I prefer to make everything from scratch. You know, you don't have to make everything from scratch, even if you do it from a base or buy it from another vendor. It's all about how you market your brand, how you market your products, all of that. That's what makes or breaks you. It doesn't matter if you make yours from scratch and it's totally natural. Yeah, that's a plus, but you also got to make sure you have your marketing and your branding A1 to be able to sell to customers as well. But that's another video. But today we're strictly on vendors. Some more great vendors that you guys can find for your packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and list it right here because like I said, I'm doing it from the top of my dome. I know Sticker Mule, that's a great place to get all of your custom stickers. They have packaging tape. You can get custom polymailers. That's a great place. Packed Lane, that's another great place to get custom boxes and things like that. And then another one is Paper Mart. They're great on polymailers, boxes, shred paper, and things like that. And now these are the places where you can build business credit. Again, I will make a video about business credit, but these are some of the places that you guys can go to build your business credit and get your some supplies. So I like Ulane. Ulane is like my #1 place where I get all of my jars for my skincare products, where I get my boxes if I don't feel like going to Pack Lane and to customize it. I do have a cry cut maker where I can just, you know, cut some things out and then put it on there. Or I'll get some stickers from Sticker Mule, have them make my logo, and then I would just stick it on the box. So that's a good alternate. I cannot talk, y'all. Oh my gosh. But y'all get what I was saying. So like if y'all, Pack Lane is expensive. So if you don't have the money right now, it is okay. You guys do not have to start off big. You don't have to do that. Please work your way up. Do not spend all of your money. That is one of the mistakes that I've made. I would insert a clip where I talk about some of my mistakes that I made inside of my business, but I don't want y'all to make that mistake. Don't all you see a big business, they got custom boxes, custom this, custom that. You do not have to start off custom made. You do not have to have custom anything. You can start from the ground and work your way up. The #1 thing about it is marketing. You can market in a cardboard box. Like, y'all, it's all about how you market. Some people are great at marketing. Some people are not so great at marketing. Again, that's another video, but yeah. So these are some great packaging vendors. I feel like I'm missing a vendor. I don't know. But when you do ship out your packages, I feel like you can use USPS or UPS. Those are the top 2 that I use and I'm satisfied with. But you know, you can use FedEx or DHL. I'm not sure what their rates are, but I know I know UPS and USPS are around like $1 different from shipping out from each other. So that's a good plus. I'm trying to make sure that I got all of the vendors. So we talked about Alibaba, we talked about AliExpress. Some other great vendors that you guys can go to is DHgate. To be honest, I haven't used DHgate in like since 2019. So it's 2022 now, you guys. So I'm not sure if they are okay right now, but for the most part, in 2019 I used them. So, but AliExpress, Alibaba, DHgate, Amazon. Oh yes, Amazon. You can get some skincare products, ingredients on Amazon. You can get some. I wouldn't like use them as a. I mean, I guess you could use them as a hair vendor. I don't use them as a hair vendor. If anything, when I do Amazon, I get shipping supplies. I get like scrunchies. I get like edge brushes that I can throw in as freebies for my packaging. I get hairpins and just little bitty things. And I also get some containers for my skincare products on there as well. Lip gloss tubes, the little pipettes to put your pipettes in the syringes. Just a moment, you guys, my baby's crying. Hey guys, I'm so sorry. This is actually the next day. I actually fell asleep while putting him to sleep. So yeah. So where I started off yesterday is you can get your pipettes from Amazon. There's a lot of things that you can get from Amazon. You can get your packaging from Amazon. Like, don't sleep on Amazon. Amazon is kind of like the same place as well. Just a disclaimer, I'm starting my dread journey. This is the ugly stage, you guys. So bear with me. I am confident, you know, to show off my ugly stage, not in public, but this is kind of public, but you know, yeah. But I just wanted to go ahead and finish off this video because I left off at Amazon and I was in the middle of saying something, but that's just all I wanted to say. So this is part 1 of I don't know how many, because I know I'm going to go over how to start your business with little to no money. That's going to be part 2. I am going to show you guys how to make a graphics for your business when you get started, how to market your business, how to do a pre-launch, how to make your website. Like, I'm going to go over all of that in the month of January. That way you still have about 10 and a half months to get that business started in the year 2022, because we are becoming entrepreneurs in 2022 and I would love to help you guys get there. So yeah, so that is how you find your vendors. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys still have questions, please comment down below and I will be happy to answer those questions for you. So stay tuned. And if you guys have family members or friends that you think can benefit from this video, go ahead and share this video with them so they can go ahead and get help on finding their business or their vendors so they can start their business or add their collection to the business. However they want to go about that, make sure that you guys share. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to go ahead and record part 2 now. Peace.